Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe our channel by clicking subscribe button and then tap the bell icon. Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) is a quite common these days. It is a condition where women develop a small cyst in their ovaries. It causes hormonal changes in the women, and the symptoms of PCOS include irregular period, excessive body hair, weight gain, acne, and infertility. Seed cycle is a natural remedy in which you eat different type of seeds at different times in the menstruation cycle for hormonal balance. Seed cycle treat PCOS as well as infertility. It also helps to balance thyroid hormone level, improve hair health, and helps to maintain your weight. To better understand seed cycle, you need to understand the menstruation cycle. The length of your menstruation cycle is usually 28 days. And it consists of two phases. The first 14 days of your period is called the follicular phase, and the last 14 days of your period is called the luteal phase. In follicular phase, estrogen rise, whereas the progesterone level rises during the second half of your cycle. If the estrogen and progesterone are not balanced, it causes menstruation cramp, acne, irregular cycles. You can balance hormone with seed cycling. You have to eat 2 tablespoons of each ground flax and pumpkin seeds in the first 14 days of your cycle. And then you have to eat 2 tablespoons of each ground sunflower and sesame seeds in the last 14 days, that is the 15 to 28 days of your cycle. If you don't have a 28 days menstruation cycle, then don't worry. Many women don't. In that case, first step is to track your cycle and ovulation, and then adjust the length of time you consume each seed combination based on your cycle length. But make sure to eat correct seed with each phase of your cycle. Ovulation usually occurs 14 days before your period, so you can calculate your ovulation time on the basis of the length of your cycle. But if you have an irregular or missing period, in that case, you will follow the phases of the moon for guideline. You will consider day 1 of your cycle with the new moon. So eat 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin and flax seed to the new moon till full moon, and then eat 2 tablespoons of sunflower seed and sesame seed to the full moon to the new moon. So how does seed cycle work? Pumpkin seeds and flax seeds regulate the estrogen level in the first phase of cycle. Flax seeds contain lignin, which bind to excess estrogen and control estrogen level. Pumpkin seeds are high in zinc, which help to support progesterone production. While the sesame seed and sunflower seeds regulate the progesterone production in the second phase of your cycle. Sesame seeds are a rich source of zinc, which help in progesterone production, and also contain lignin that help to block excess estrogen. Sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E and selenium, thus boost progesterone production and detox the liver from excess estrogen. So that's how your seed cycle works to regulate your hormone. Seed cycling takes time to work, and usually it takes at least 3 months of daily use of seeds to start noticing the benefit. Here are some important points that you should know before starting seed cycling. Grind your seeds. This will help your body to digest them easily. Use unroasted and unsalted seed in order to get their nutrient intact. Store seeds in the refrigerator because nutrient seeds can rancid in sunlight and high temperature. So always keep seeds in cool, dark place in airtight jar.